Pop Mart, KAOHSIUNG Taiwan. Dream Mall, located in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, is the largest shopping mall in Taiwan and the 15th largest in East Asia. It contains restaurants, movie theaters, a gym, and entertainment facilities. The Pop Mart store in Kaohsiung can also be found here at the 3rd floor. Pop Mart is a rising global force in pop culture and entertainment. It is renowned for pioneering the designer toy culture worldwide and has over 500 stores in 30+ countries and regions. Pop Mart is well known for its blind boxes and has dozens of iconic characters like Molly, Dimoo, Panda, the Monsters, Hirono, and more.
Sweeten out is a lollipop. Gonna take you to summer utopia. Pop Mart got you a little luck. Don't hesitate to take it up. Sweeten out is a lollipop. Settle roar is a colorful superstar. Chupa juice until you later now. What are you waiting for? Let's get it! Strawberry or pineapple, cider or ribbon, you all mystic flavors. Lollipop. We like Chupa Juice. Heaven is a touch far. We like Chupa Juice. I wanna Pop Mart, Pop Mart. We like Chupa Juice. Heaven is a touch far. We like Chupa Juice. Let's get it! Pop Mart, Pop Mart. I like Chupa Juice. Strawberry or pineapple, cider or ribbon, you all mystic flavors. Lollipop, we like Chupa Juice. Heaven is a touch far. We like Chupa Juice. I wanna Pop Mart, Pop Mart. We like Chupa Juice. Heaven is a touch far. We like Chupa Juice. Let's get it! Pop Mart, Pop Mart. I like Chupa Juice. Pop Mart got you a little luck. Don't hesitate to take it up. Sweeten up is a lollipop. Settle round is a colorful superstar. Chupa choose something a little more. What are you waiting for? Let's get it! Strawberry or pineapple, cider or ribbon, you always stick flavors. Lollipop, we like chupa choose. Heaven is a touch far. We like chupa choose. I wanna Pop Mart, we like chupa choose. Heaven is a touch far. We like chupa choose. Let's get it! Pop Mart, I like chupa chups.
Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. See you on the next video.